What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be share with you how to make $3,000 per month completely from scratch. I'm going to share with you complete blueprint how to go from 0 to $3,000 per month. It's the very easy process. Just stay with me so you are not gonna to miss any of the step. Okay, but before we get into the video, if you want to make $100 a day, then go below in the description. You will find a link of the training, and after this training you can easily make over $100 or even more than $100 every single day. Okay, and if you are in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now what I'm going to be share with you, with which you can easily make over $3,000 every single month. How? I'm going to be sharing with you a complete blueprint. Okay, just look at this. What we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the social media. Okay, just look at this. Okay, look at, these are the platforms. Okay, these are the platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and kind of Snapchat, Instagram, or whatever you think. Okay, these are really the platforms from where we are gonna to leverage the power. Okay, and literally we are gonna to drive the all of the traffic. We are going to provide the value. Look, the only difference between the guys who are not making even a single money and the guys who are making tons of money is one difference. The guys who are making a lot of money, they are creating content. They are creating content on daily basis. Okay, and the guys who are not making money, they are simply just consuming the content. Okay, that is the easiest difference. Okay, if you want to shift from making zero money to making start making money, then shift from making the shift from just consuming the content to creating the content. Yeah, you also need to consume the content to create the daily basis on the to create the content on daily basis, but at last you also have to start creating content. Okay, whether it's a YouTube video, whether it's Facebook post, whether you are providing value, whether you are helping other people by answering their questions, or it can be anything. Okay, so what is over here, look at this. This is the YouTube, this is the Facebook, let's say. Okay, this is the Instagram. We are going to provide the value over here on daily basis. Value, provide the valuable video. If you do not know anything and you want to start a weight loss channel, just go on the YouTube, type your keyword in the search section. Okay, and thereafter just consume some of the content and simply create a new video including all that content. That's it. You need to do just this thing. Okay, and in the same way, Facebook, whatever you have learned in the YouTube, just share it on the Facebook. Oh, not a YouTube video, but what you need to share, write a post or share a great picture and all that stuff. Okay, in the same way, share the value on the Instagram. Create a great kind of your Instagram page and start sharing valuable pictures. That is the easiest way. We are going to drive the traffic from here to a landing page. Okay, what we are going to do over here, we are going to provide them something for free, and in exchange we are going to ask them for their email. So what we are going to do, after we are going to ask their email, we are going to send them the promotional emails. But not only the promotional emails, we also need to provide value over there as well. Okay, value is the number one key factor when it comes to making money online. Okay, so we are going to provide the value, we are going to provide the value, we are going to provide the value, we are again going to provide value. There will be another pitch. Okay, let me just share you in a good manner. Okay, we are going to provide the value, we are again going to provide value, we are again going to provide value, we are again going to provide value. Here a sale. Okay, when you will be providing tons and tons of value, you will see that your in sales ratio will be so much increased. They will start thinking that you are really a nice guy, you are giving them so much for free stuff. But also remember, on the other side, do not just keep giving value. There should be a balance. Okay, for example, if you are going to follow an email series, okay, you can follow any series like giving value for 10 days, then keep on promoting. You can promote for the next 5 days, and absolutely the sales will be much higher than you have ever seen. Okay, here will be the fun sale. Again, you can keep scheduling this. Okay, you also need to create the daily content on the basis of all these platforms. But how are we going to reach to a $3,000 per month? Okay, let's say in 1 month we are going to attract, okay, let's say this is the platform, okay. And here is the YouTube, okay. Here is the YouTube, here is the Facebook, and over here is the Instagram, okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of all these platforms, okay. We are going to leverage all these platforms power, we are going to combine all these power over here, okay. Let's say if you can only drive 300 guys, driving 300 guys, that means just 10 guys every single day. If you are providing value, nobody can stop you. On the Facebook, you can find a group over 100,000 members. Every single group, even you can find thousands of groups with 100,000 members. Just go there, provide value every single day. You can easily attract 50 plus guys. 10 guys really bare minimum, guys, really bare. Okay, YouTube is having billions of users every single day. Okay, so what you can do, just come over here on the YouTube, start start creating the quality content, okay. Thereafter, driving 10 guys from here is very easy. So in a month you will be able to drive about 1,000 guys to your landing page. You have gotten over 1,000 emails, and once you have gotten over 1,000 emails, you can easily make about 2,000 to 3,000. 3,000 will be very easy, guys, very easy, okay. But the only difference over here, you need to give value. Now you might be thinking how I am going to drive the traffic from the Facebook, YouTube, and all that stuff. So be sure to check out this free training, because I have shared how to drive traffic and how to share the how to drive the traffic from YouTube very fast. Plus I have also shared the Instagram, plus I have also shared the one of other secret method, okay. Just to take this training, you will understand completely how to go from $0 to $3,000 every single month. If you are going to follow this training, you will be absolutely making $3,000, but just start taking action. This is the number one step over here. But now the possibilities are not ending over here. Let's say you have over 1,000 emails. Now you are making over 2,000 to 3,000. Invest that $2,000, or you can break it into $1,000, and over here $1,000, and again $1,000 over here. So what you can do, buy the courses for the $1,000 related to the Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Google ads, okay. Learn about the Google ads, learn about the Facebook ads, okay. Learn about the YouTube ads, and thereafter invest this $1,000 in running the ad of about the Facebook, about the Google, and about the YouTube. You will see that your first attempt will not be great. You might lose all of the $1,000. Again, when you are again going to get $2,000, this time you have learned the skill, okay. Invest the whole of the $2,000 in running ad. Absolutely, you can easily generate this time a good ratio. But if still you are not getting ratio, you have spent $3,000, okay. But the next month you will be even on the breakout point. Let's say you are getting over $1 per email, you are spending $1 per email, and you are making over $2 every single month. So you are twicing your money, the money you have spent. So you have in the next month, third month, you have spent $2,000, and you have generated 2,000 emails. So with 2,000 emails, you have easily made over $4,000, okay. And even you will be making $4,000 every single month consistently. So look at this, the ROI is really huge. If you are going to invest $1 in just 1 year, you have gotten over $48, okay. At least the leads will be with you for 12 months, and every single month you are getting $2 every single lead. So you have made over your 48 times the money. Which business is having this much ROI? Over 50 times, and literally with no risk at all. Okay, the risk is really less. You just need to learn and implement. You might fail a lot of time, but once you will start driving the ROI, nobody can stop you to really start making killing income from here. Okay, now the scalability model is very straight. Now you have learned the Facebook ads, you have learned what is figuring for you, you have figured out what works for you, and you have made over $4,000. Invest that $4,000, you have again made over 4,000 leads. With that, you are gonna to make $8,000. Again, invest that $8,000. With that, you have again gotten 8,000 leads. Look at this, the business is really much scalable. You can convert this into a multi-million-dollar business, okay. Building a 5-figure business within first month, 2 or 3 months is really easy. but you need to consistent, just keep creating content on two platforms like Facebook, YouTube or Instagram. Select any two platform and create quality content for 90 days. Look at this, after 90 days you will be making enough money to quit your 9 to 5 job. And you do not need to give a whole day. If you can give every single day 2 to 4 hours, that will be your win and win situation. How much time will it take you to be active on provide content on the Facebook? Hardly 45 minutes. And creating one video on YouTube video is also on YouTube takes 45 minutes. Again, it's about only 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, and the next 30 minutes you can easily spend on whatever you can also work on the third platform like Instagram. So you can really make a lot of money. Look at this, just giving 2 hours consistently can really give you a huge ROI. Okay, but do not think that you will be start making money from day one, day two. Do not think that. And just have a proper mindset, positive mindset. Maybe if you are going to work in a proper way, you will be start making full-time income within just 1 month. You need to just actually, you have seen that a lot of guys have spent over a year in making a full-time income. Why? Because they haven't figured out what works for them, but they have created the YouTube video that what works for them. Just only implement that, then you can easily get a results in 1 month. One of the YouTuber, I do not remember the name, he has spent over 1 year in figuring out what works for affiliate marketing. Now he is sharing free stuff on his channel. Okay, what really works for him, he is sharing free stuff. And if you are going to implement, you can really get success, because that guy has figured out in 12 months and he's providing you on just day one. So you can really start making money with that. Even I am providing the same content. It takes me 5 months to make my first commission, but now I'm sharing what takes me 5 months, why I failed for 5 months. You can really start implementing these strategies and really can make starting your full-time income. So I really hope that you guys like this video, and for full training go in the 100% free training in the description. You can easily make money, start making full-time income, but taking action and being persistent is the biggest secret. Okay, so I really hope that you guys like this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos like this or even better videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.